Hey guys, it's the Cube Factor here. So today I'm here with a very, very special unboxing. This is for the GAN 356. So I heard that this was very, very good. So I'm just gonna open it. It has tape on it. It's gonna take a little while. Okay, whatever. This is taking forever. Yeah, I finally got that piece of tape off. There. I'm doing it. Oh my god. So my reverse timer on. Now we have the cube itself. First looks like another box. Probably this is all the accessories it comes with. Yeah. We're probably gonna do some first turns right now. Yep. Ooh. Ooh. It comes with this card. Interesting. So let's just open it up. Oh wow, this is a really oh wait, what? No way. Oh my god, I'm so keeping this box for it. I actually got this this was 1-day shipping, free 1-day shipping on Amazon Prime. That was like the best ever. The deal's expired, so by the time you're watching this video, it was already expiring. So yeah, it's probably not gonna happen again. Free 1-day shipping. That's a once in a lifetime thing. Oh my god, it already has the magnets in. Oh my god, I love this. This is so much faster than my favorite thing. So I think I'm in here. This is where all the accessories are gonna be. And also I apologize for the poor lighting for some reason. Like, see, whenever I take the box out, it's good. It just dims the screen. Sorry. So I'm gonna open this up. This is guys, I think that this cube is gonna obviously improve my time. Finally. Comes with a little pair of instructions, I think. Yep, on how to solve. How do you even buy this if you didn't even know how to solve it through everything? Okay, so let's just, ooh. Okay, it tells you the strength of the magnets here. That's gonna be useful. And look at this. Beautiful. I've seen this on YouTube before. This was like $56. If I remember correctly, like there's a better way to tension this, I think. Just pulling the caps off. Oh wait, so this stuff. Oh, it's grease. Yep, you can't pull the caps off. I need stronger magnets, so I'm just gonna try this. How am I supposed to do this? Oh, there. Oh no, I messed it up. Man. Oh, these are all different springs. Oh man, this is so neat. I'm gonna put it back. We could do that later though. These springs that go inside. Oh, you can feel the tensions. That's so cool. I'm loving this. Okay, let's see this now. Look, there. Wow. It just comes out like that. Oh, okay. Let's try to do one of the magnets. I actually don't know how to do this. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. It doesn't matter. Or at least right now it doesn't. Just get this thing back in. I think I'm going to tension this. Or put a different spring in. The caps are supposed to come off. They're really hard to get off, I think. I don't want to break it. Oh my god, look, there's a lot of lubrication. I'm just going to do this here. This is awesome. I totally think you could buy it. So worth it for like $56. Oh, I think I'm getting one of the caps off. It came off. Let's see, what spring did they put in here? Just assuming that oh, there, pops right out. That's one of the springs. This is like a much better way to tension it. Love it. So if I remember correctly, it goes in this way. Wait, no. Oh yeah, it goes in this way, I think. So guys, this is so cool. Like, I love it. Like, all the customization options. It's just perfect. Wait. Wait, what? It just went down. I don't know, did I put this in wrong? Okay, there. Okay, guys, so this is so cool. Yeah, I just gotta check something. Yeah, it's definitely not the right tension. Okay, I'm gonna do that later. But thank you all so much for watching. The Cube Factor out.